What am I going to talk about today? Well, I'm actually going to talk about tone. And um, Directly, I want to talk about overdrive and being played in gospel music. Overdrive and distortion, and those are two different things. Overdrive is not as heavy, is not as saturated as distortion. And for the most part, with me, if I'm playing something, if I'm doing something in gospel, um, I won't use a distortion. I would use more of a overdrive, and if I have to push it, I'll push the gain a little bit more than if I wanted some more saturation. So um, that's my take on overdrive. And also, what I like to use is some delay, but I don't like to use too much delay where the notes are being lost. So I like to use a little delay. I like to use some overdrive, and I'm gonna give you an example. I have a track here that I'm gonna play, and first let's listen to my guitar dry. Okay, that's pretty dry right there. A little reverb on it, but no overdrive or no delay. Okay, and I'm gonna actually be playing on my bridge pickup, right? Okay. Um, Here is my overdrive. See it? Not too much, but it's there. Here comes my delay. Now, we'll hear it up against the track, and you won't hear the repeats as badly as without. And normally, I probably would pull the feedback a little bit more. Okay, but let me pull this track up and play against the track. So you get my drift. See how it's there, but not too overbearing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually play a heavier overdrive over that same track, and so you can see how that sounds. And I'm playing on my bridge pickup. I don't have my. Well, I'm gonna turn my volume all the way up. See, that's a little heavier. Okay, let's do that. And it works, it fits. You can still hear the notes clearly. The delay is there, giving it that wider sound, and you still fit the track. So listen, use your overdrive. If you like distortion, just pull it back a little bit. We just want to be able to understand what you're communicating to us. So when you're using distortion, overdrive, and delay, moderation is key. Thank you so much for viewing, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Take care.